Hello, today we will guide you through how to get 100 GB in Google Drive. If you're running low on storage for files, photos, backups, or shared documents, upgrading your Google Drive space is a simple way to give yourself more room. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find the storage upgrade section, locate the 100 GB option, and continue through the checkout process clearly and smoothly. To begin, open Google Drive in your web browser and go to the main Drive homepage. Once you're there, give the page a moment to fully load so all menus and storage details appear correctly. This is where you can view your current files as well as your available storage. Next, look toward the bottom left area of the screen. In that section, you should see an option labeled Get More Storage. Click on it to open Google's storage plans. This will take you to the Google One plan selection page where different storage tiers are displayed. If you don't immediately see the plan you want, that's completely normal. On the Plans page, scroll down and use the arrow button to move through the available storage options until you find the 100 GB plan. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct plan before moving on. This is helpful because there may be several choices available, and each one comes with a different monthly or yearly price depending on your region and billing settings. Once you've located the 100 GB option, continue by clicking on your preferred payment method. At this point, Google may show payment choices already linked to your account, or it may ask you to choose from the available methods on screen. Make sure you review the details carefully before proceeding, especially the billing amount and renewal information. After selecting the payment method, click on Agree. This confirms that you accept the terms and allows the purchase process to continue. Be sure to read what's on the screen so you understand the subscription details before finalizing anything. Once that's done, simply follow the instructions shown on your screen to complete the rest of the process. The final steps can vary slightly depending on your account setup or payment option, so just continue with the prompts provided. After you choose your preferred payment method and complete the purchase, you should receive a confirmation by email. That confirmation lets you know the upgrade was successful, and your Google Drive storage should then reflect the new 100 GB plan. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of upgrading your Google Drive storage to 100 GB.